So I'm fucking back here again? Really? You've got to be kidding me. I'm seriously. Why? Well, I might as well just get on with it. Okay, so, just pause the video here and then I'll tell you why I fucking really don't like being in Green Hill. And then I'll just make the normal video. Okay, so I mean no offense. And I mean no offense at all to people that like Green Hill, but Green Hill is overused. And I don't really think it should be like that. I mean, why can't you just get another stage like, you know, like what about Marble Zone? Whatever happened to that? I mean, like, come on. This game, you're overusing Green Hill, Zeta. Just stop. I fucking died. Okay, that's good. But I mean, still, you gotta stop using Green Hill over and fucking over. Like, why do you even use it over and over? It's like really fucking stupid and shit. Like, it feels like you don't even care about the other zones. Like, sure, there's Death Egg Zone and Chemical Plant. Those how do I put it safely? Aren't good? Should I say that? Also, sorry if you can't hear me all that well. I don't have my headset with me right now. So, and whenever you try to create new zones, they're basically just Green Hill with a different fucking name. Like, take Windy Hill and, like, Emerald Hill. Those are all just Green Hill ripoffs. Like, just stop doing it. And I mean, maybe someday you can come up with a better fucking zone than Green Hill. Like, cause I mean, nobody even likes Green Hill. Just stop. Okay, so that was all this video was really about. It was just me riding out on Green Hill, because I mean, it's overused, and I'm pretty sure a lot of you could agree with me. I mean, even though a lot of you hate me, you can all agree with this, and I know it. Okay. Okay, so, I'll see you later.